Okay, I have a jewelry unboxing video, and in this box is items that are shells and another bag that is marked religious jewelry. So I am only going to do the religious jewelry in this video, but I am showing you how much is in here, and you should definitely check out the other video where I unbox the shells. Amazing lot of jewelry. And I'm also going to go right into my trailer here. And because She Shed did my trailer, it's 1 minute long, and it's for those of you that have not seen it. I'm going to show it to you now, and then we'll get on with the unboxing.
Hey, Bolo buddies, thanks for watching. Full-time reseller. All right, let's get started.
Okay, so I hope you enjoyed my trailer. I love it so much, and I wanted to share it with you guys in case you have not seen the whole thing. I do have an intro that you guys have seen, but that one's a little different. So let's dig into this jewelry. Tons of religious jewelry, and there's crosses, and there's little, like this bracelet is really, really fantastic. I think that it will do pretty well. I'm not sure what it's made of. I forget the name of, Moonstone Mamas helped me with something that looked very similar to that. I'll have to look back at one of my videos and see what it was called. But yeah, there's some fancy items in here. There's some rosaries, there's some necklaces, lots and lots of good stuff. I will list some of it separately, and then I will probably lot some of it up in small lots. And maybe I'll do a large lot. I haven't quite decided yet. But like these little stretch bracelets with the crosses, there's a whole bunch of those. So maybe I'll do a lot of those items. And if you guys haven't seen my unboxing the gemstones videos, Moonstone Mamas comes on and helps me do those. And she really educates on what the different stones are because I am clueless. But you should definitely go check out those videos. I think I've posted 2 of them so far, and then I think there's 5 total. So there'll be more of those coming. But Moonstone Mamas is fantastic. Definitely check out her YouTube channel. And this is, I'm not sure what this is. It's like a little charm, but it like opened up. It was different. So we'll definitely look at that, do a little more research. I mean, lots of neat stuff. I didn't see anything that stuck out to me like as silver or gold or anything that's going to be like a huge bolo, but a lot of bread and butter items that I think I can definitely sell. And I'm trying to think of what else I can tell you guys. At the beginning of the video, I showed you the box full, and there were a lot of shells. So those items are fantastic. Lots of good stuff in there. So if you guys want to check out that video, I don't know if I'll post it before this video or after. And also down in the description, I have a link to my eBay store, my Poshmark closet, and my Mercari store. So if you guys would like to make a purchase and help support the channel, a lot of these items will be up. In my eBay store, I have them under Jewelry BB, and that's the category. So if you guys specifically are looking for jewelry, you can go there. If you're not looking for just jewelry, I have, I think, over 5,000 items in my eBay store. So definitely go check that out. The link is down in the description. And if you make an offer on an item, please put that you are subscribed to my channel, or put Bolo buddies in the notes so that I know that you guys are a viewer and supporter of the channel. and let me know if you want to be mentioned in my What Sold video. This one's pretty cool. I'm definitely going to list this one separate. It's a neat piece. Definitely some neat stuff. And if you guys have suggestions on how to do these unboxing videos, I'm learning. I haven't done a whole lot of jewelry other than when I started this series. So if you have any suggestions, please put them down in the description of the video. I'm just really sorting through it and showing you guys what I'm finding. I don't know. I watch some of these other jewelry unboxings and I feel like they're way more interesting than mine, but maybe I'm just being hard on myself. I don't know. So let me know what you guys think. Is there something that I can do to make it more interesting? I did get a ring light, so that is helping with the lighting. I don't know. Most of these items will be buy it now or best offer. I don't anticipate auctioning anything. And if you see a treasure that I don't know about, please let me know in the comments. And if you want to tell me exactly where you saw it, you can actually pin the time, and then I can go right to the item. This one's kind of cool. I mean, it's definitely a nice lot of stuff. This came in my bulk buy. I bought it on eBay to sell on eBay. So basically, I bought 344 pounds of jewelry. So if you guys have not seen that video, definitely go to the playlist and check it out. I got a fantastic deal on a lot of jewelry, and I bought it on eBay. And in that video where I weigh it, I tell you how I scored 344 pounds of jewelry for less than $200. So it is a fantastic find. A lot of work, but my whole thought is that I could do unboxing videos for you guys, and I could list the items on eBay, and I could learn about jewelry. So I did buy a gemstone tester, which I have some videos on that. And now for some Instagram posts. Hey, Bolo buddies, I just sold this guy. How fun is he? It is a cover for a golf club, and I think it's a cheetah. At least that's what I called it. I sold him for $25. Check out his mouth. $25 plus shipping. He is plush. He is very cool. And yeah, $25 plus shipping. Picked him up at a garage sale, probably less than $1. I usually bundle at garage sales. So he's very cool, and I wanted to share him with you. So have a great night, and thanks for watching. Hey, Bolo buddies. I just sold this bowl. It's very cool. It's a spiderweb bowl, and it is Heartstone. I don't know if you guys have heard of Heartstone, but I do really well with Heartstone. This one's extra special because it's a bowl, but definitely look it up if you see it. Again, it's Heartstone. Very, very cool. Definitely a Bolo. They make mugs. I sell a lot of mugs. Be on the lookout. Check out my Bolo Buddies YouTube channel for more Bolos just like this. I sold this for $40 plus shipping, and I paid about $3 for it at a garage sale. Thanks for watching. Hey Bolo buddies, so I released a video yesterday of a garage sale haul of tons of items I got free, and I just sold these little guys, and you can see his little leg is glued, but I still felt like he was worth listing. And this little guy's neck is not perfect. And I just wanted to let you guys know that these had good comps. So I decided to list them together, and they sold in less than 24 hours for $22 plus shipping. So definitely don't dismiss things just because they have been repaired. They can still sell, and definitely go check out that video. My guess was I'd make around $500 off of all the free items, but people are thinking I'm going to make more like $1,000. Watch the video and let me know what you guys think. Be sure to check out the description of the video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.